Alright, 341 cooling fan assembly. The task of the removal, the prepare for the installation. Toolkit SE494097 of the GLE12. The equipment reference, paragraph 37. The material part of the grief, the condition, description, engine hood. Remove the pair. Warning, removal. Warning, prior to performing cooling fan, made with the picture of the barrier switch is open position, tagged and battery fuse. Remove the pitch, prevent the engine from being started with the valve personnel working on the engine component. With plate for the barrier switch, open position, remove the battery fuse. Remove the 4 bolt for the lock washer, 2 for the lat washer, 3. Remove the 4 bolts to lock washer, 5. With the replace for the fan drive, to come up with the shaft with the halves. Remove the 8 bolts, 7 of the flat washers, 8. With the remove the 10 bolts, 9. With the flat washer, 10. Remove the engine fan shroud, 11. Then remove the 6 bolt, 12. With the lock washer, 13. Fan 14. Remove the fan 14 with the drive shaft, 15. Remove the 10 bolts, 16. With the flat washer, 17. Remove the 4 bolts, 18. With the flat washer, 19. Remove the drive shaft, 15 for the mounting brackets. Remove the bearing shim, the 20 with the red cord. The thickness of the shim taken to each for the mounting bracket. Removal continued. Show the shroud and the fan and the wiring bracket, and loosen the set screw 21. Press with the flexible fan drive coupler 22 with the drive shaft 15. Remove the key 23 with the drive shaft 15. Loosen the 4 set screws 24. The bearing retainers 25. Press the pillow block press the pillow blocks, and 26 of the bearing 27 of the fan drive shaft 15. Alright, repair. Lubricate bearings 27 with the grease. Replace them. Repair damaged items as required. Press the assembly pillow blocks 26 with the bearing, 27 with the arm of the drive shaft, and tighten 4 screw with 24 with the bearing retainer, 25 with them install the key, 23 flexible fan drive coupler, 22 with the drive shaft, 15. Refer to step 12 with the thickness of the before bearing, shim with the 20, install with the shim with each side of the mounting brackets, install the assemble the drive shaft 15 on the mounting brackets, install the 4 washers and bolts and 8. Press the flexible fan drive coupler 22 on the drive shaft 15, tighten the set screws 21, install the 10 washer 17 bolt 16 for the engine coupler, install the fan 14 on the drive shaft 15, install the 6 lock washer 13 and bolt 12 within the fan 14, and install the engine fan shroud 11 and 10 flat washers 10 and bolts 9, install the 8 flat washers 8 and bolts 7, install the flex fan drive coupling shroud half 6 and the 4 lock washers 5 and the bolts 4, install the 4 lock washer 3 and flat washers 2 with the bolts 1.